What's up, guys? It's Keuilian with Fit Body Bootcamp, and today we're making healthy French fries. By using a parsnip and an air fryer, we are gonna make fries that taste amazing and are so healthy. There's more fiber, there's less calories, and less fat than regular French fries.
Here's what you need: 2 parsnips, salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, half a teaspoon sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary, minced. Trim the parsnips and slice into French fry-sized pieces. In a mixing bowl, combine the parsnips with the rest of the ingredients. Mix until evenly coated. Place the fries in an air fryer and cook at 380 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until crispy. Or place on a baking sheet and cook in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 450 degrees, flipping the fries halfway through. Serve immediately and enjoy.